Hello and welcome back. Welcome to the pet room. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 2:39 p.m.
Okay. So, in the pet room here, I have been swapping chips from the rusty, crusty pit to the other. I'm at the point where I fear such operations. I do. And I have two chips to swap. I'm not sure that I want to because they are difficult. So, I'm going to turn this on and make sure that it's all happy. It's happy. Isn't it beautiful? And I think then what I'm going to do is switch over here, turn this off, and put this down for the moment. Because as much as I would like to leave them all happy and all working, I don't have the chips to do it with. So here's what I can't take this one out. Right. This one is one of the rare pets I've ever seen where the power connector cannot be removed. Alright, I'm going to look at the pins on this. Great care. This is a 6520 chip, and they all look good. And I think these sockets are indeed more forgiving. So, come on. Come on. Don't fall down. Alright. The witness mark has been checked. It is to the right side. I'm going to push this chip in. It doesn't feel like it went in. Damn it. Maybe it did. Maybe it didn't, but it just doesn't feel right. I really don't want to have broken more pins off. Uh-huh. Well, I've not broken any off. But certainly, there's one here. Back that looks a little worse for wear. So I will tweak it ever so gently with these itty bitty pliers. And look over. See that these two are actually pushing out just a little bit. Just a little wee bit than the others. I'll try to get them all lined up. And lovely. This is actually maybe a reason why I shouldn't be using this machine to test things. Because I can't take the board out. Alright, I'm going to try and get the back pins in. And push the front ones ever so gently. Lined up. That didn't feel right either. Damn it. How did we do? It just doesn't want to go. And the board has, oh golly, and the chip puller just rolled underneath. What is going on here? Why? Why? Why is this being difficult? Why? Why? just doesn't seem right. It just doesn't seem like it's gone in far enough. It just doesn't. Just doesn't. Excuse me while I curse. Great. I'm going to try and turn this without doing any damage to myself or the machine to get a look inside here better. Oh, now this could be risky. Oh yeah, the board is lifting. And I can see the chip is not nicely in there. And why? Why is it not? It's like it just doesn't want it. I don't know. It's very strange. And this thing, this arm, is wonky. Wonky like a donkey. It's funny. It looks fine. It does. Everything looks fine. Perfectly fine. But it just... Okay, well, you know what I'm going to do? I think the back pins are all lined up nicely. I'm going to tweak the front ones all in just a little wee bit. Don't need to worry about these are not cutting pliers. Oh, I guess they do have a cutting thing down there. Let's see. Are we all lined up? We are. And the witness mark is okay. It's funny, this is a more forgiving socket, supposedly. Alright, so we're lined up. We're lined up. We're going to push. Ha! We're in. Okay, and I'm just feeling along the back. And it actually feels okay. Well, that is good. It is. And here is the 6540. I'm just looking carefully at the pins. This is a time that I do wish that I was set up with the Pet Companion. But you see, the other thing about this one is I can't take this board out. I can't. Alright, it feels like that went in okay. It does. Alright, so we are repopulating. So we're down the ROM chips on 6522, which of course is missing a leg. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to look inside. And I'm going to turn it on and see that it still comes up. Now, what else do I have to do here? Well, I have here the board from one of the Chiclet pets here. I guess it's this one because it's missing. And indeed, it is fully populated with RAM. It is. And it's just missing the 6520 and the 6522. And all the ROM things are in. Lovely. Lovely. So, circuit boards are sharp on the bottom. I'm going to set that over there. I am. So I think the plan now is this one just needs the ROMs and the 6522 is I'm going to go upstairs and I get the 6522 that shouldn't have been in the pet, and I'm going to try it in this machine and see if it works. And then once I'm sure that I have everything in here working and happy, I'll steal the ROMs and I can write on it that all the chips in it are good, but that it needs things. For example, it's going to need 4 ROM chips. It's going to need a 6522 and maybe something else. Anyway, well, like that, I'm going to turn this off. And if I can, just for fun, because that's why we're here. We're here for fun. I'm going to move this forward. Oh, can I even, what? I don't think I can. I wanted to test the other data set port. I don't think I can. So I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to turn this on. Coming up, yes it is. I'm going to take the lid, gently put it down, do a shift run stop, shift lock run stop, because the others don't seem to work. I'm going to press play. Now, I think I rewound it. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. We'll see if it says found Commodore. It says found Commodore. And then it should run World Commodore. And I will rewind. And we'll let that do its thing. And I'm going to go upstairs, snag that 6522 chip, and then test it in here and see what's what. And we'll go from there. And I know I can steal things from other machines, but I want to have as many as I can working, but also know with good notes what it is I need to make this one work, which is a lot of ROMs. And it doesn't have a whole lot of RAM in it. There we go. Okay. Thanks for coming to the pet room. Stay tuned. We'll see if that 64 become a donor of a healthy chip or a dead chip. The answer is out there. Thanks for coming to the pet room, David Bradley. Signing off again. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.